When it comes to big deals, Carl, I did want to hit Twitter. Shares are down ever so slightly, $37.60. Tomorrow we will get that hearing in the Chancery on whether or not you're going to see an expedited trial. I think there is an expectation that Chancellor McCormick, who, as I had said, was likely to be overseeing the overall trial, the real trial, not tomorrow's hearing, but she also will oversee that, is doing so. And, you know, Twitter may have a good case here in terms of saying, hey, the continued broadsides to our reputation, the insinuation somehow that we're committing fraud are not helpful to our business in any way, shape, or form.
But did you see?
We need to resolve this. Oh, my God, he's back.
Did you see that he said it was a major flabbergasting event, that the number that they redid? This is the eight. This is the one. They found 1.4 million that were reduced out of 190, and that's flabbergasting?
No, it is not.
No, and that's about the best thing he has.
And that is, again, back to the core contention here, and one that the court is going to have to ultimately decide, and the burden of proof, by the way, is on Musk and his team, are the bots on Twitter's platform far, far in excess of the 5% that they cite? And does that represent a material adverse change, an adverse effect on their business? Going to be very tough to potentially prove that. By the way, I want to come back to something said on Thursday on the financing. Everything I hear says that is solid as a rock. There is no expectation that financing is going anywhere. The pricing, we'll see how that ends up performing in terms of whether or not they actually do syndicate the loans and it gets funded, whether it's a loser for Morgan Stanley and the other banks have signed on. But no sense at all that I'm getting.
None.
And
None.
We did have that case I cited, the Deopac case. I do want to quickly correct myself from Thursday. I said it was a Kohlberg KKR case. It was Kohlberg in that Deopac case. My apologies to KKR for that quick mistake.
Okay, so what Musk is leaving out, 5 meetings. 5 meetings to go over what they had. Throughout this frivolous document, it makes it sound like that Twitter was saying, listen, we're not going to let you in. The opposite. Twitter wanted to be sold, for heaven's sake. It was a hostile takeover. They went very quickly, all right, and agreed. Brett Taylor, he's co-CEO of Microsoft.
Yeah, they said, fine, we'll take 5420. You want to waive business due diligence? And as we said they might, they got it done in a weekend.
Right. This document basically says, Twitter said whatever you want, but he doesn't do that. He obfuscates. Musk obfuscates.
You've got to cite for people what you're citing.
What he's saying, the principal thing, is that they revised down 3 days after the agreement. And this is an 8K from April 28th. The guide down is so small.
Right.
That you just have to say, are you kidding?
Oh, it's Twitter's April 28th.
Are you kidding, 8K. Musk? Do you really think that's...
You're saying, is that the best you got?
That's the best you had?
This was the document he originally cited for his concerns. But the question remains as to whether he is going to be able to show proof that his concerns are valid.
Have you ever been in one of those China stores? You break it, you own it. Bingo. He talks about how people get laid off. He didn't want that. No, they were trying to make their numbers. Their numbers aren't that good.
We'll see what road Skadden and his attorneys can go down to try to prove their case.
What do they have?
And we're ways. By the way, again, tomorrow the hearing is about whether or not this is going to be expedited, so the trial could begin as soon as, let's call it, mid-September. We'll find out.